Hi everyone, welcome to this video about the amazing Cloudingo platform. Today we are going to dive into what a filter is and how you can use it to quickly and easily identify duplicates in your org. So what is a filter? A filter in Cloudingo is a powerful tool that finds duplicates based on field matches and limiting criteria. It's incredibly flexible, allowing you to easily identify duplicates in your org so that you can manage them in bulk. One example of how you can use filters is to match on the street and first and last name of your records. This way you can be sure that you're catching all the duplicates that may exist. But wait, it gets even better. You can also limit your matches to a specific subset. For example, you can limit your matches to only those records created in the last 90 days, or you could limit to your matches to specific record types, or even to records where one or more record in the group of matches was modified or created within the past week. Remember, it's important to always calculate your filter before you begin working in it. The calculation performs the query against Salesforce to find the duplicate matches. So it's essential to make sure that you're getting the latest results. And don't forget, after you recalculate your filters, new results will only pull in and old results will fall out of the filter results. And that's it! We hope this video has given you a good understanding of what filters are and how you can use them in Cloudingo. So get out there and start finding those duplicates. Thanks for watching!